Christmas, everyone. Joe Vitale, Vitale Wealth Management here with this week's Gradient Investments Market Update. All information is gathered as of this week, December 22nd, 2025. We hope you've had a wonderful Advent and Merry Christmas as it's coming in 2 days. So let's get in the week in review. Major U.S. equity indexes ended the final full trading week of 2025 mixed, and NASDAQ led the upside with a 0.49. S&P added 0.13, but the Dow declined 0.64. Now, growth stocks continue to outperform value. The Russell 1000 Growth Index up 0.55% for the week, while the Russell 1000 Value fell 0.4. Precious metals continue to shine. Silver surpassed $67 per ounce for the first time ever. Gold set another all-time new high as well. It's over $4,400 an ounce. All major U.S. and international financial markets will be closed Thursday, December 25th for observance of Christmas Day, of course. And on Wednesday, the 24th, the U.S. markets will close at 1 p.m. Now, upcoming economic releases, key economic releases will be this week, giving us further insight into the pace of the U.S. economic growth. On Tuesday, which is today, the initial estimate for the third quarter GDP will be released. This is being published more than 6 weeks later than usual due to the shutdown in the past. But what happened? 1 full point higher than expected. They were looking for like 3.4. It's like 4.5% growth. Very good growth. So that's going to send the markets a little bit higher, but they're a little worried about what's going to happen with the interest rates. But the CPI report, the inflation report for November, did come in below expectations. The CPI rose at a rate of 2.7, which is the annual rate in November, below the forecast of 3.1. In contrast, the delayed November jobs report delivered mixed signals. The unemployment rate climbed to 4.6, which is the highest level since 2021, while the U.S. economy added 64,000 jobs in November, following a decline of 105,000 the prior month. Together, the cooler than expected inflation data and the softening labor market gave the Fed Reserve greater flexibility to consider additional rate cuts in 2026. A little mixed. Jobs are down, but growth is way higher than anticipated, and inflation is softer. So really, I think the tariffs, a lot of that was nothing. But we are seeing growth a lot better. Recent activity, there was trade in the core select with the following changes. Sold ZBH, Uber, and JHX, and it bought TJX, Lilly, and ISRG, and CTAS. How about stocks in the news? Lam Research Corporation, which is in the core select in G33. Shares of the company hit a 52-week high last Friday, driven by strong demand for its wafer fabrication equipment, which is used to build advanced chips for AI applications. Stock is up 4.85% for the week and 138% year to date. Hill, or HLL, HII, which is owned in the G50 and Contrarian Choice portfolio. This military shipbuilder announced it was selected by the U.S. Navy to construct future small surface combatant ships, reinforcing its leading position in naval shipbuilding. Shares were up 2.27 for the week and 78.14% year to date. Very strong. That concludes our week's commentary. Thank you so much for being part of our Vitale Wealth family. We are truly thankful for you. We've had a wonderful year. And I hope all of you have as well. It was great seeing a lot of you at our Christmas party. We like to see you all the time. Make sure you reach out to us for anything you need. 855-756-5700. Visit us at vitalewealth.com. Enjoy the family time this Christmas season. Hope you guys all have a very blessed and joyful season. And God bless you. We'll see you again next week.